what is the name of this next song?
This one's called Into the Night.
Very good.
In front of a great white sheet, Anna takes pictures of me with all the unused film we found in my teeth. I think I've lost my way, or at least my gloves, they were gray. I no longer trust my legs to follow the day. Into the night, into the night, into the night, into the night. The light at the third cashier is brighter than the first. The wife of the cavalier is turning in the hearse. Who went and made it worse? Back to the first. In front of this great white shark, I am embarrassed to start, but Anna will bump my arm. That's my favorite part. Out by the old back way, there is a brand new gas station, and we will drive by waving all through the day. And into the night, into the night, into the night, into the night. Tonight, the third cashier is sour-faced and terse. The wife of the cavalier is stirring in the earth. Who went and made it hurt? Back to the verse. The billboard on the highway tells me to wake up while there's time, but Anna's mine. If you're all right, then I think so. Am I? So much for the great white way. We'd have to decide on our